Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Professor Crypto. Got another hot crypto class for you guys today. This one's on fire. You guys already know anything we bring on the channel, it's got the heat, got the potential, and it definitely should be watched. This one is so different, guys. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Class is now in session. This one is called Chatoshi.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Best content creator.
Professor Crypto.
Let's jump right into Chatoshi. Now guys, just the other day, I was thinking, what would happen if blockchain and AI got together and collabed on a project? So I searched for answers, and guess what I found? I stumbled upon this unique project called Chatoshi AI. Right up here in front of me, guys, is their website, and it is on their own web browser as well, the Chatoshi browser. You guys need to download this. After doing my research, essentially what this project is all about being an AI-powered platform designed to give, among other things, a user-friendly Web3 browser, digital asset management tools, and blockchain insights. Think of Chatgpt, but for crypto Web3 blockchain, guys. Absolutely revolutionary in today's world. They combine proprietary artificial intelligence models with the latest advancements in the blockchain and crypto space. Chatoshi essentially empowers us, the users, to explore decentralized applications, track market trends, and securely manage your crypto portfolios across all networks. This is meant to simplify and enhance the overall crypto experience for users at any skill level. Up here on their website, guys, they explain that Chatoshi AI is the official token powering Crypto Tower in Dubai. Crypto Tower, guys, is a brand new innovation. This is going to feature cutting-edge infrastructure and state-of-the-art facilities seamlessly integrated with advanced AI solutions powered by Chatoshi.ai. With over 150,000 square feet of leasable space, the tower is going to feature so many more things, guys, and I know that people are going to be fighting to get a space in this tower. It's going to be massive. So essentially speaking, guys, whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced trader, the platform's intuitive design and helpful AI-driven features make it accessible to users who are new to crypto, while advanced analytics and blockchain tools can cater to more experienced enthusiasts looking to optimize their digital asset and trading strategies. The app is downloadable for Windows, Mac, and Android all across the board, guys. I've already downloaded it on my Mac here, and you can see it's working amazing. So many different features of this platform, guys. They serve as a Web3 browser, AI search, integrated Solana apps, Tor browsing, the list goes on. You can see on the left-hand side here, we have so many different categories. We're going to be test running a whole bunch of these for you guys to check out and really have reason to use it. Now, before I go ahead and give this thing a little test drive, guys, you're probably wondering, well, Professor, is Chatoshi free to use? Well, guys, I found out that they offer both free and premium features. Casual users can benefit from the basic tools like Web3 browsing, scam detection, certain AI-powered analytics, while crypto-savvy users can pay a small subscription fee to benefit from the more advanced functionality. All right, guys, let's give this thing a run for its money now. I'm so excited to test it out. So guys, you can see that when I click the AI icon over here, this is the Chatoshi AI search. Now I'm going to expand this and make it bigger across the whole screen so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. So we're going to treat this exactly like we treat Chatgpt. We're going to just ask it some questions. We have some suggestions here as to what to ask it, and we have different categories. So news and sentiment, crypto fundamentals, Twitter and socials, token information, blockchain explorer, quantum alpha, and analytics and insight. And guys, you can also change the tone of Chatoshi. So whether you want it to be funny, serious, or Trump, let's try try them all out, guys. I'm so excited for this. All right, let's do serious. Let's start with what are the tokenomics of Toncoin? I think this is a good one. Now we're analyzing, retrieving data, processing the response. Let's see what we got here. So cool, guys. So we've got the tokenomics right up in front of us. It worked. We have the circulating supply, the total supply, and the max supply. We even have the current price of Toncoin. Current price $3.18. Let's see if this was accurate. So what I just did, guys, is I made the Chatoshi AI small again on the left-hand side panel. I compressed it and I opened up a brand new tab, searched coin market cap, and you can see CMC is working right here. Now I'm going to type in TON. Let's see if the information is accurate. Oh my goodness. I just saw it. $3.18. This information is accurate, guys. Chatoshi feeding us all the best information. Going back to our search here. So then they say perform due diligence on Toncoin. Above we discussed Toncoin and other coin is similar. Aptos, blah, blah, blah. Which coins are trending on social media today? Maybe let's check out what coins are trending on social media today. That could be very interesting. Let's see. So keep in mind, they're basing this off of social media engagement. What's trending? We've got Bitcoin, Dog, Thorcoin, Pendle, Moonpig, Wicked, guys. The X tweet volume score, 24-hour change. You can see obviously Bitcoin's going crazy because we just hit new all-time high, guys. And the X tweet volume score today we have all here. We can also load more, in which we see Bitcoin, Dog, Thorchain, Pendle, Moonpig, Hyperliquid, Circle Swap, Torum, Near Protocol, Toast Dis. And we even have some of their price analytics here. Crazy, guys. Honestly, this is a one in all, packed with information, reliable information. I love this already, guys. I'm gonna be using it all the time. I've just set it as my default browser as well. All right, now time to try out the funny version of Chatoshi. Let's go. So I just swapped it to funny mode. Now let's ask something. Is Dogecoin a good investment? Let's see. Keep in mind we're on funny mode, guys. So what is it saying? Dogecoin, the meme that became a dream. According to the latest market indicators, Dogecoin is currently the neutral territory with a hint of bullish momentum. RSI is stable. The MACD is giving a thumbs up for potential price increases, and the OBV is showing increasing buying pressure. So it seems like Dogecoin might be gearing up for a little moonwalk. I like that. You see, there's a little bit of zing with that answer, guys. They're gearing up for a moonwalk. Super lit. But remember, investing in crypto is like trying to predict the weather in a meme world, unpredictable and full of surprises. Always do your own research and maybe consult a financial advisor who doesn't just rely on memes. And they got the winky face there too. Oh man, this is hilarious. I love it. And we even have the price action here too. Great. Now what happens if we're on funny mode and we hit what crypto topics are trending in the news today? Let's see. So it says the crypto world, where the only thing more volatile than the market is my sense of humor. Here's what's trending in the crypto universe. So AI crypto's on the rise, institutional adoption and regulatory developments, hacks, regulation, and adoption. Whether you're into AI, institutional moves, or just love good crypto drama, there's something for everyone. Great. I love it, guys. Now, what's this Trump mode all about? Let's select Trump mode and ask it some questions. Now, guys, let's test out Trump mode. So if we go to Trump, let's type in, what do you think about Trump coin? See what comes up. Folks, let me tell you about the Trump coin, okay? It's a tremendous coin. Believe me, the closest match that we found is the official Trump. This coin got the symbol Trump. It's making waves, folks. I love how it talks just like Trump talks. They say, folks, all kinds of things. Believe me. I could just picture Trump just being like talking like the way he does and saying all the words that he does, right? So that's clearly Trump mode for it. So then they say now on Twitter, people are buzzing about it. It's even quoting some people on Twitter saying that Black Noise thinks that if Bitcoin and stocks hit all-time highs, Trump coin could also see a big rise. Shout out to my boy Ansem. You already know that's his Twitter handle. Go follow him. It's capturing attention, folks, big time. Another tweet from PDX Coin mentions that Trump coin is live on PDX Beam app for crypto to fiat payments and it's making moves. And there you have it, folks. Trump. There you have it, folks. Trump coin is out there making headlines and it's got people talking. Keep an eye on it because it could be huge. Amazing. I love it, guys. And then we got the stats, of course, for the official Trump coin. $15.21. Accurate. Nice. And then we even have some Twitter sources here too. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So guys, you can clearly see that Chatoshi works. Now, I mentioned earlier about it being a browser, right? Like, let's say if you just want to open up a new tab. First, let's compress this. We open up a new tab. The default is going to be the Chatoshi homepage. And then if we go to like Google, right? So we're on Google now. It is a browser. Now, speaking of browsing, Web3 browsing in particular, okay, guys? Chatoshi AI's Web3 browser is your secure, privacy-focused gateway to the decentralized internet, guys. It allows users to safely access decentralized apps, NFT marketplaces, and other blockchain-based platforms without exposing your sensitive data. By leveraging decentralized protocols, the Web3 browser helps helps you simply navigate to full potential of the blockchain ecosystem in a trustworthy and easy to use environment. So let's talk about the rest of the features that we have here, guys. So we have the Chatgpt tab over here. So again, we can ask anything to Chatgpt. How are you today? How are you today, bro? So you can see it works. I'm doing great, bro. Thanks for asking. How about you? Everything good on your end? Yes, sir. I'm loving the Chatoshi browser. Have you heard of it? Let's see if Chatgpt has heard of Chatoshi. And look at that. Chatoshi pops up right here, guys. Chatoshi.ai, the Web3 browser for Solana and AI insights. Crazy. We're on Chatgpt, guys. This is lit. Web3 browser ensures a fast, secure, and private browsing experience. AI search provides insights into market trends and blockchain data. Integrated Solana apps, access to DeFi protocols and NFT marketplaces. For browsing, enhanced anonymity and privacy. Tokenomics offers information on token launches and market dynamics. Ideal for crypto traders, enthusiasts seeking comprehensive, privacy-focused platform. Crazy, guys. I love it. Furthermore, what do we have here? On the side panel, we also have Telegram. So you can log into Telegram by your QR code here. And then we also have Signal, which if you're not already using Signal, you probably should, because very good, very private. Of course, WhatsApp, because WhatsApp, who doesn't use WhatsApp? WeChat. Yep, you got that right. WeChat is also available. Life Online, Snapchat, Discord, YouTube, Web3 TV. Shout out Web3 TV, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter X, VK, Stake, RugCheck, Reddit, Radium, Dex Screener, Solana Explorer, and SoulScan. Honestly, guys, I'm so mind blown by this project. In conclusion, there are a few key takeaways that I definitely want you to know from this video, guys. On the AI side, Chatoshi AI harnesses their proprietary AI agents to deliver a wide range of AI-powered tools that includes these blockchain analytics to be used for real-time insights, market trend sentiment tracking, scam detection, and portfolio optimization. On the privacy and safety issues, guys, Chatoshi AI's platform uses robust encryption methods, secure servers, and industry best practices to protect your personal info and ensure a safe and secure user experience. Your private keys remain under your control at all times and will not be stored on Chatoshi AI servers. Also, Chatoshi AI customs built AI-driven security features actively monitor suspicious blockchain transactions, market movements, and token metadata to detect red flags and other questionable behavior. By automatically scanning and flagging potential threats, guys, the platform helps you understand the risks that are associated with projects or tokens and help mitigate loss. Now, some of you guys are probably wondering and asking, do I need an account to use Chatoshi AI? And the answer is some basic features such as Web3 browsing and certain AI tools that will not require an account. However, guys, if you want to unlock premium features and synchronize your crypto holdings across devices, you'll need to create an account. And synchronizing popular wallets to Chatoshi AI is a breeze. You can seamlessly track your portfolio, manage your digital assets, and transact directly within the platform. I also found out, guys, that Chatoshi AI gives you a dedicated customer support which you can connect to 24/7. You can install Chatoshi AI on your desktop and it can be downloaded for both Android and iOS compatible devices. This ensures that whether you can monitor markets, browse decentralized apps, or manage your digital assets wherever, whenever, this is the main thing, guys. It's amazing. So honestly, if you're looking for that intersection between artificial intelligence and comprehensive blockchain insights with a secure and powerful Web3 browser, Chatoshi AI is your ticket to that all-in-one approach, guys, enabling you to research, trade, and manage your crypto assets with confidence. Chatoshi AI will make your crypto journey simpler, safer, and more transparent as a whole.
This mother don't miss.
No, he's good.
Shout out to all my students. I love you. Shout out to Crypto Class King. Shout out to Lemmy. Shout out to the Whale Gang. Shout out to the Hodl King. Thank you for always your continued support, guys. I really appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that like button for me. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Please remember, guys, we are an impartial channel, so whether your opinion is negative or positive, we'd be more than happy to hear it. That being said, guys, class is now dismissed. Group hug, group hug. We'll see you in our next video. Professor Crypto out. Really hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Make sure you hit that like button and the subscribe button if you're interested in seeing some more crypto reviews and exclusive international blockchain events. We are the channel for that, guys, as you know. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.